Good on you.
I'm good. I decided to make this live because I feel like everything started here and it should continue here.
Okay.
So first things first, I want to know, what have I ever done to you?
I'm not going to be doing this again on a live. I'm not doing this again on a live. And I told you I'm only here for 10 minutes just to clarify that we spoke and we are cordial and we are civil to each other. I think other than that, I don't owe any other person 4-7 this conversation, which we've already had. So I'm not going to start again with the whole why we started fighting, where it comes from. We've already had the conversation.
So in closing, guys, but never even come
They're expecting a fight. I'm sorry.
In closing, I think what made people so nervous about this whole thing is that the last draw. Ne? So the last draw, guys, Maweni spoke to me about it. And if you see me with her, don't feel like she didn't talk to me aside. She spoke to me about it. We are okay. And there are certain things we won't entertain. But it came to a conclusion that she never did anything to me from where it started. I never did anything to her from where it started. So it was a good thing that we spoke about it, because all this time it was based on the foundation of the conflict between us. It was based on lies.
True.
Yeah, it was based on lies. What she thought, it's not true. What I thought, it's true. It was not true.
And the moral of the story is, if you have an issue, call me. If I have an issue, I will call you. It didn't have to go as far as it went, but I am happy that we were able to talk and resolve the issue as adults. And like I said, I do apologize. I do see my wrongs as much as we spoke, but I'm just not going to get into it on this thing. Yalona.
And it's not Monday and Sabolo shame. It's not those two. Bona bao ba itu ba ska nka credit batho ba na
God ke sana not going to happen.
Take credit. They met after we spoke.
Yes, true.
So,
the next day after we spoke, they met. Anyway, I'm going to see you on the 25th.
Yeah.
That's a move. And
you must pop bottles. Your table must be full.
Like bloody hell.
I cannot like that. You must spend your money about Tikoloshi Mola. You must spend it there.
Like you don't spend.
Don't believe.
Don't worry. But friend, I did tell you.